Question number 1. Mutation in excision repeat genes or translation DNA polymerase cause xeroderma pigmentosum, a sun-sensitive cancer, Purine disorder, defective in Cockayne syndrome. All of above are correct. Answer is option D. All of the above are correct. Question number 2. In E. coli, URABC endonuclease removes and another bulky lesion by recognizing the disorder of disorder this produced in the double helix. Pyrimidine dimers, alkyl group, methyl group, one nitrogen base. Answer is option A, pyrimidine dimer. Question number 3. In eukaryotes, gap filling in BER involves predominantly DNA polymerase beta, whereas the longer gaps generated in NER are filled by DNA ligase, DNA polymerase delta and epsilon, DNA polymerase 1, DNA polymerase 2. Answer is option B, DNA polymerase delta and epsilon. Theta and epsilon. Question number 4. The exchange of homologous region between two DNA molecules occurs extensively in eukaryotes during meiosis, mitosis. A and B are correct, A and B are false. Answer is option A, in meiosis. Question 5. Which of the following is true for exchange of homologous region between two DNA molecules? General recombination, homologous recombination, site-specific recombination. A and B are correct. Answer is option D. A and B are correct. General recombination, homologous recombination. Question 6. Are a set of DNA clones, each of which has been derived from their insertion of different fragments into a vector followed by propagation in the host. Gene cloning, DNA libraries, genetic engineering, gene therapy. Answer is option B, DNA library. Question number 7. Dash digest single strand nucleic acid but will leave intact any region which is double helical. RNA polymerase, DNA polymerase, Merck nuclease, reverse transcriptase. Answer is option C, Merck nuclease. Question 8. When an electric field is applied to an agarose gel in the presence of buffer solution which will conduct electricity, DNA fragments move through the gate towards the negative electrodes, positive negative electrode. All of above are correct. Answer is option B, positive electrode. Question number 9. The use of restriction enzyme followed by DNA ligase can create with the target DNA fragment inserted into vector plasmid blunted, cohesive and recombinant DNA molecule clones. Answer is option B, cohesive and. Treatment of linear vector molecule with alkaline phosphate will remove 5-phosphate, render the vector unable to ligate into circle without inserted target, reducing the portion of recreated vector in a mixture. All of above correct. Answer is option D. All of above are correct. Question number 11. The efficiency of transformation step is given by number of antibiotic resistant colony per microgram of input plasmid DNA, number of antibiotic resistant colony per gram of input plasmid DNA, number of cloning vector molecule per microgram of input plasmid DNA. A and B are correct. Answer is option A. Number of antibody resistant colonies per microgram of input plasmid DNA. Question number 12. Recombinant plasmid can be distinguished from vectors by size on agarose gel and by existing inserted fragment with the same restriction enzyme used to insert it. Using RFLP technique transformation, all of above correct. Answer is option A. Question number 30. The E. coli ligase use NAD plus and the ligase enzyme for bacteriophage T for use CaCl2, ATP, Mn2, NAD plus. Answer is option B, ATP. Question number 14. Insertional inactivation of the LAGZ gene on a plasmid can be used for screen for recombinant on plate counting. Tetracycline and ampicillin, tetracycline only, IPTG and XGAL, IPTG only. Answer is option C, IPTG and XGAL. 50. The infection and subsequent lysis of E. coli by bacteriophage may be used to propagate clone DNA fragment. Non-essential portion of the phage linear genome may be replaced by 48.5 kb of foreign DNA, up to 23 kb of foreign DNA, up to 10 kb of foreign DNA, 50 kb of foreign DNA. Answer is option B, up to 23 kb of foreign DNA. 60. The number of so-called replacement vectors have been developed from phage lambda. Example includes PBR322, EMBL3, lambda dash DASH, B and C. Answer is option D, B and C. Question number 70. Cosmid have capacitive or clone DNA of 30 to 45 kb, 10 kb, more than 50 kb, 20 kb. Answer is option D, 20 kb. 80. The PUC vector contains an engineered version of LAGZ gene which has multiple restriction enzyme site with the first part of the coding region of the gene. This region is known as the blunt end, cohesive end, multiple cloning site, origin of replication. Answer is option C, multiple cloning site. 90. Which of the following is true for each artificial chromosome? May be more than 1 MB in length, contain 2 telomeric sequence, 1 centromer, 1 autonomously replicating sequence, contain gene which can act as a selectable marker in yeast. All of above are correct. Answer is option D, all of above are correct. Question number 20. The bacterium which infects some plants and integrates part of its TI plasmid into plant genome has been used to transfer foreign gene into number of plant species. Answer is option B, Agrobacterium tumeficans.